Butter lettuce?
Oh, no, thanks.
Try it.
But it's got,
Yeah. My Ruby was 4 months. I was out of work and boosted some formula. Shoved a security guard.
She was headed to prison for robbery. Her daughter would have gone to foster care.
But Edith cut a deal for me to come here instead.
Oh boy, I see a new kid over here. I'm not gonna teach you anything. If you keep your mouth shut, you get an A. If you say anything to anybody, you get an F. Welcome to AP Bio.
I've been here the whole time.
Okay, well, talk.
AP Bio.
Our guest today is the perfect example of using yourself as bait. Hello, Anunkasu. Can you hear me there?
Hi. Yes, I'm here. Thanks for having me, Barry.
Well, I'm sure many have had the chance.
I need a minute.
Okay. We really don't have time. We do need to get...
I'm giving up my entire life, Sam. I need a minute.